Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Astro Pearl. Today we are going to discuss about the most crucial topic of astrology. That is reading different signs in different houses of a horoscope. So as you can see on the screen, we can see a North Indian style horoscope. This North Indian style horoscope, or say any horoscope for that matter, it contains 12 boxes, which is known as 12 blocks or 12 houses too. So I have explained this concept in details in my previous video. Please check that video guys. I have provided that link in the description. Now coming back to the topic. Before starting with this topic, let us pray Lord Hanuman first. Om Hanuman, Om Anjani Sood, Om Vayu Putra, Om Mahabal, Om Ramesh, Om Falgun Sakha, Om Pingaksh, Om Amit Vikram, Om Udadikraman, Om Sita Shok Vinashin, Om Lakshman Pranadata, Om Dashikrish Darpa. May Lord Hanuman bless you all guys with all the abundance and all the happiness, success which this world and this universe has to offer guys. May you all stay blessed. Now let's begin with the topic. As you can see on the screen, the place where number 1 is written is known as first house of the horoscope. It is also known as ascendant and lagna too. The place where number 2 is written, it is known as second house of the horoscope. Likewise, where number 3 is written, it is the third house of the horoscope. And similarly, there are 12 houses in a horoscope. Okay, now let us see the next picture. The numbers are changed, which means where number 1 was written previously, there number 8 is written. I have often seen people getting confused with this concept. They think that where number 8 is written, it is our 8th house. Where number 2 is written, it is our 2nd house. Where number 1 is written, it is our 1st house. Is that so? No guys, it's not like that. Let me explain you. Where number 8 is written, it means Scorpio is present in 1st house. Similarly, number 1 is written in 6th house, which means what? Aries sign is present in 6th house. Similarly, 7th house. In 7th house, which number is there? Number 2, which means Taurus sign is present in number 7th house. Okay, I have explained in details about these houses in my previous video. I have provided that link in the description guys. Please check that link, okay, to understand this concept in more details. Okay, now let me tell you all the signs and numbers assigned to signs, that is zodiac signs or rashis. So beginning with Aries, let me tell you guys, Aries is the first zodiac sign of the zodiac belt. Now Aries is ruled by Mars. It is a fiery sign. Yeah, you heard me right. So the people who are born under Aries sign or whose sun moon rising is in Aries, then that person you will find very headstrong person. He'll be very aggressive. Also, he'll be very honest in his nature. Now coming to the second sign, which is our Taurus. Its element is earth. Very grounded in nature, yet fun-loving. It is ruled by Venus. So coming to the third sign, which is Gemini. It is ruled by Mercury. Its element is air. You can say that this sign or this Rashi is very clever and most talkative in zodiac belt. The people who are talkative, you will see Gemini prominent in their chart. Now coming to the fourth sign, that is Cancer. It is ruled by Moon. Its element is water. It is very emotional, caring and very loving energy. These people are very empathetic people. They never choose to take decisions rationally. Rather, most of the decisions will be based upon their emotions. Also, this sign carries motherly nature, which means the people who are born under Cancer sign are very motherly, very giving, very caretaking, and they are very empathetic beings. Now moving forward, Leo, which is the 5th sign of the zodiac. Number 5 is assigned to Leo. So anywhere in the chart, if you will see 5 number, as you can see in this chart, number 5 is written in 10th house, which means Leo. So the work environment of the person will carry Leo energies. I have explained this concept in details in my previous video. If you find anything confusing about my explanation, then please go and check out that video. Now let's move further. Leo means what? Fire. Also king. Sun is considered as the king of all the planets. So Sun rules this Rashi, that is Leo. Its element is fire, but obviously. So we can term this Rashi or this zodiac sign as very prideful yet creative energy. So these people don't like to take orders from other people. They are very bossy people, and in fact they don't like anyone getting bossy around them. They like to carry their tasks independently. Now coming to the next Rashi, that is our Virgo sign. Number 6 is assigned to Virgo. It is ruled by Mercury. Its element is earth. Very grounded and practical energy. Now coming to the next Rashi, that is Libra, which is our 7th sign of the zodiac, and number 7 is assigned to Libra. It is ruled by Venus. Its element is air. People who are born under this sign are calm, rational and very detached when dealing with situations. Guys, Libra people are very shrewd in taking their decisions. Now coming to number 8, that is Scorpio. Scorpio is ruled by Pluto and Mars. Mars is co-ruler of Scorpio. Its element is water. Being a water sign, Scorpio is known for psychic intuition filled with emotional ups and downs. People who are born under this sign are emotional. They never forget about the people who did wrong to them. They never forget how you made them feel. If you have done anything wrong to these people, then they will never forget. They'll get back to avenge. Always remember this. We will go in depth of it when we will discuss about moon in different signs, also sun in different signs, and placing all the other planets in different signs. So I'll be making separate videos wherein I'll be discussing each and every concept about this. So once I am done with creating separate videos for each zodiac sign, I'll provide link in the description. So do check my description, also the I button. Now coming to the Sagittarius sign, that is the 9th sign of the zodiac. Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. It is a fire sign. Talking about the nature of this sign, people who are born under Sagittarius sign are intuitive, full of passion and very impulsive people. Like fire itself, they can flare up when inspired. These people are very passionate about life. They rely on their gut instincts. Like Leo, even Sagittarius is also a fiery sign, and you can find this attribute common in fire signs. They always follow their gut instincts. Now coming to number 10, that is Capricorn, my favorite sign, guys. Capricorn is ruled by Saturn and Uranus. It is an earth sign. Capricorn is an ambitious energy with grand ideals, full of potential and a feeling of self-importance. Again, we will go in depth of it, placing all the planets in this sign. I'll provide link in the I button. Number 11, which is denoted by Aquarius. Aquarius is ruled by Saturn. It is an air sign. People born under this sign tend to be very stubborn and difficult to sway from their intended courses of action. So these people live in their heads, being logical and scientific, as well as curious about what is around them. So these people always stay curious about their surroundings, and they'll always complete the tasks assigned to them with much perfection, just like Virgos. I didn't mention Virgos are perfectionists, guys, and similarly Aquarius too. Aquarius people too. They too are perfectionists. Now coming to 12th sign, that is Pisces. Pisces is ruled by Jupiter and Neptune. It is a watery sign. Pisceans are friendly and likable, and yet can be very moody and introspective as well. Pisces is a water sign concerned with subtle emotions and secret mystical depths. Also make a note, guys, Pisces is considered as one of the most spiritual signs of all the 12 zodiac signs, guys. Very spiritual sign. Pisceans are dreamy and full of imagination, guys, and are easily influenced by everything around them. I would mark this as negative trait. If you are Pisces, or if you have Pisces prominent in your chart, then please make a note about this, that don't get influenced by your surroundings. Let people say whatever they want to. Please follow your gut instincts, guys. Don't let anyone's opinion hamper your growth or your personal development, guys. I have often seen people with moon in Pisces, sun in Pisces, with self-sabotaging behaviors, and also giving importance to people's opinion. So, guys, that is not required. Please don't do that. Now, again, I'll provide in-depth information about each sign in my further videos, providing link in the I button above and also in the description. I am again and again repeating this, guys, because now I have started this series and it is very important for you all to know about yourself. And in this journey, in knowing about yourself, I am assisting you guys, because 6 years back even I started my journey and I was too small at that time, not knowing where I am going, what I am doing. But astrology found me, or I found astrology, I don't know. But you are here watching this video, which means you are being asked by that divinity, that angels, to know about yourself, and let no other people tell you what you should do, guys. Just read your chart on your own, understand yourself more, do what is required, and please stay tuned with my channel, because here I am going to provide remedies as well. So in further videos you will be getting remedies how to nullify malefic effects of planets, because some of the astrologers out there, what they are doing is they are giving wrong information, and I'll be exposing that thing also in my further videos, guys, so that you guys will be safe and you won't be guided by any wrong information, guys. Okay, so understand yourself more, and if you have any doubt or any query about the concept which I have explained you all, guys, then please feel free to ask me your queries by just simply dropping your question in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer your all questions, guys. Okay,